it that bad?
I gotta show you.
It's pretty bad, honey.
You just... Your eyes are looking...
Come on, Savannah. Squish that cake.
Yummy, yummy, yummy! Oh, she's doing good. She don't want to mess up her nails.
She's gotta be a mama's girl.
Are you recording?
It's like everybody's watching me, and it's just not cool.
I don't know, they're getting deep in there.
Yeah, there we go.
I am.
Oh, okay.
I'll put her on YouTube.
Oh gosh, she can do that. She's so good.
Oh my God.
Well, here
But
we
she's
go.
not, Savannah, could you just like be a little bit more aggressive with the cake?
I mean, like, dig into it, Mom. Help her dig into that cake.
She's doing good.
She is, and she's a good eater.
No, she's doing
She's
good.
a good eater. She's a really, now let's give some to Mommy.
Thank you.
I think I'm getting in there.
It's for you. It's your birthday cake.
She'll give you some.
Well, I think apparently she wants to share. Okay, now we're going to share with Grandma.
Give Grammy some. Thank you, pretty.
Make sure to smash it somewhere around the upper cheek.
Okay, give Grammy some cake. All righty then. Happy birthday, Savannah.
Oh, boy. She's just looking around like, I don't know.
That's the end of Grandma's diet for today.
I don't do this every day.
It's more fun to feed everybody else but myself.